Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's summer, we are she saying what better way of you creating a soft glam with products that definitely can give you the full coverage and sweat no more. So do stick around because I am here to assist you. And there's more of how to keep that look intact and how to make it work just for you. The name is Truelerato. Do stick around on the channel. Do like, subscribe because this is L'Oreal. Please do prep up your face with a good moisturizer. As soon as you've done moisturizing your face, a good primer will make its work. I'm using your L'Oreal. It's 24 Hours Pro Minimizer. It works perfectly well, absorbs very well onto your skin. So I've already prepped up my skin. I know it's not normally done by people, but I literally do start with applying my mascara before applying anything on my face. I know it's a bit weird. I've got long lashes, so it's very convenient just for me to know that I'm done with my lashes. And the only thing I need to focus on is just my face. Enough with the talking. Let's create the soft glam that we've been speaking about. But definitely do stick around and subscribe when it comes to Truelerato, because there's definitely more tips that I'll let you know how your makeup can last very long to this summer days and actually be hydrated in the winter days. My name is Truelerato. Stick around. Applying the concealer, I'm going to blend it well. So you might find that other people prefer just to start with the foundation and not the concealer. Over here we're just making it real that when it comes to applying makeup, you do it at your own convenience, but everything at the end will turn out to be very good. So I'm just also going to apply my foundation, not too much, because I just also want to create a soft glam look that's just going to allow everything to blend very well. So I'm just going to blend that through. Just make sure that your beauty blender is actually well moisturized as well, like it's not dry, so that your makeup can blend very well. There's also other tips that I can tell you for your makeup to last longer that you can do with your beauty blender.